12 signs your village people don't want you to school. A few weeks ago, I tried to be funny. I made a video titled, 8 Signs That You Bought Gala With Your School Fees. From the video, you could actually tell whether you have been paying your dues in school or simply using them to buy gala. Today, I shall be making another funny video, 12 signs that your village people don't want you to go to school. Now, if you are facing any of the predicaments I am about to discuss, just know that your village people are following you. Lol. The following are signs that your village people are following up your academics. 1. You failed classwork and correction. If you failed classwork and still fail corrections, just know that your village people don't want you to go to school at all. Uncle Sandra, you need to discover your ministry. 2. When you submit your question paper and go home with your answer sheet. If you are in this situation, I don't really have a word for you. Just know that your case is in Shiloh. 3. You scored less than 50 in Jamb. Jamb is over 400. If you have ever scored less than 50 in Jamb, it means your full community are following you. Please, just kill a goat to appease them. 4. You had F parallel in Waec. In my recent article on WAEC series, I explained that it is not possible to have all Fs in WAEC result. If you have ever had F parallel in WAEC, it means your village people are sitting on your matter. 5. Cooking beans 10 minutes to your exam. If you have ever attempted to cook beans 10 minutes to your examination, I don't know what to tell you. Your matter is very serious. 6. You still sleep in the exam hall. If you still sleep in the examination hall, it means that there are many village persons you need to appease. They are really following you angrily. 7. When you copy someone's name in the hall, if you have ever copied your neighbor's name while cheating in the exam hall, it means your village people are after your brain. You need to meet Apostle Johnson Suleiman for revival. 8. You only read a day to the exam. You don't read unless it is few days to your exam. Do you think this is normal? It is time to think twice, my brothers and sisters. 9. This is your 7th Jamb. If you have written Jamb more than 6 times, it means that your village people are serious about your case. In fact, it seems they have already concluded on your academics. Let me go and faint. 10. They have held your Waec result the 4th time. If WAEC continues to withhold your result, it means your village people are using your result to wrap a kara. Lol. 11. You have been writing Waec for years. If you have written WAEC more than 5 times, it means your village people are matching after you. 12. Your GPA is 1.0 on a scale of 5.0. If your GPA cannot even dial a number, this one is strong. Bonus. 13. If you don't visit AidTheStudent daily, AidTheStudent.com is here to stay and to guide you in your academics. If you don't visit AidTheStudent daily for amazing guide, it means that your village people are on suit and chasing after you. Lol. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to Aid the Student.